Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add annotations in Figma, a skill that can seriously level up your design workflow. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just keeping track of your own ideas, being able to leave clear, concise notes right inside your design can save you tons of time and confusion down the road. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add, edit, and use Figma's built-in commenting feature to make your projects easier to manage and communicate. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Figma. Just hop into the project or file where you want to leave an annotation. If you're brand new to Figma, no worries. You can use either the browser-based version or the desktop app. The interface works almost exactly the same in both places. Once your design is open, take a look at the bottom corner of your screen. You'll see a little icon that says Comment. It usually lives down in the lower right. Go ahead and click on that. What you're doing here is switching from the default editing mode into comment mode. This step is crucial because now every click isn't going to alter the design itself, but instead, it gives you the ability to attach annotations right to different parts of your project. It's kind of like picking up a sticky note and deciding where to put it, except these notes are totally digital, searchable, and best of all, collaborative. Now, with comment mode active, just find the part of the design where you want to leave some feedback or a reminder. Maybe it's a button that feels a bit out of place or some text you want to revisit later. Simply click anywhere on the design. You'll see a little comment box pop up right where you clicked. This is where you can type out your annotation. For example, let's say you notice something looks a bit odd. Go ahead and type something like, "Hey, this looks unnatural." You can really personalize your comments here. Maybe add a suggestion, ask a question, or tag a teammate using the @ symbol if you want their attention. Once you've finished typing up your note, all you need to do is hit the submit button. Your annotation is now pinned directly to that exact spot on the design. It'll show up as a little yellow marker so you and your teammates don't miss it. What's great is anyone who has access to the file can see your comment, reply to it, or even mark it as resolved once the issue's been addressed. This setup makes Figma perfect for asynchronous feedback, design reviews, or just jotting down those don't forget moments. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Adding annotations with comments in Figma really is fast and intuitive. Don't worry if it feels a little unfamiliar at first. After a few tries, you'll find it's a total game changer for organizing your thoughts and staying on the same page with your collaborators. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble adding annotations in Figma, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.